So today I would like to discuss about value to multiple values. Syntax: var 1, var 2, var 3 value. All variables var 1, var 2, var 3 will store the same value. Python assign the value from right to left. Example: x equals y equals g equals 10. This means x is assigned the value 10, y is assigned the value 10, g is assigned the value 10. There are some examples of one values to multiple values. Example with comments: declare the same variables to multiple variables. E equals b equals c equals 5. Print the values. Print E equals A. Output E equals 5. Print B equals B. Output B plus 5. Print C equals C. Output C equals 5. If the value is mutable like a list or dictionary, then all variables refers to the same object in memory. Changing one affects all.